we're going to be talking about the key swing reversal pattern. So the KSRP is a way to determine if price is going to reverse or not. So obviously there's no strategy with a 100% hit rate. The idea of a KSRP is to build context. We have a key swing high right here. Resting up above is liquidity. So if you're a trader and you're thinking that this is a top, you get short right around this zone, where is your stop going to be? Resting up above this high, right? If you're not yet in a position, you're looking at this high, waiting for price to break up above it, where we can then use this level as a previous resistance turn support area, where they think if we break up above and close above, I can long here with my stops a little bit below. The idea of a KSRP is to wait for price to reach into these areas and then wait for the setup to form. We reached up above that key swing high and we formed a broken base. So here we have a sweep followed by a break of the low that was responsible for taking the high. You can see it a little bit clearer on the H1, but regardless, there's still no setup here. Remember, the broken base, so the sweep followed by the break, isn't enough for us to enter a position. What we're looking for is a return to the range followed by the same pattern forming again. So you can see we don't have that here, so there's no trade. Then we have the same thing here. So we have a sweep followed by a break, still no trade. But if we move just over to the right, we have a sweep followed by a break, and then we have all of these equal highs here that got swept, and then we broke below. There's a H1 candle close around this level. If you were to hypothetically trade a KSRP, you could enter market on the candle close below this level, or wait for a retest where you would then enter short with your stop above this level. So this is basically telling us here that the liquidity above this high and even all of these highs here is being used to generate short orders, or the majority of the traders that are participating in the market aren't interested in buying up above this level, and they're interested in either taking profit or entering shorts. Regardless of what entities are actually entering, it doesn't really matter. What the KSRP does is it kind of shows strength or weakness above or below certain levels. So the entry was just below this low, stop above this high, and you can see we continued to sell off.